As the country prepares for the third phase of the Lok Sabha elections scheduled on May 7th, let's have a look at what is happening in the political arena of the country. Sizing up on Prajwal Revanna, JDS MP and the BJP JDS Lok Sabha candidate from Hassan in Karnataka, the Congress and the Opposition India bloc on Monday opened a new front against the BJP. Senior Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi Vadra questioned Prime Minister Narendra Modi's silence on the issue and said he should not dare talk about the Mangal Sutra of women till he, as in Prajwal, is brought back to India. The Congress alleged that the BJP government at the centre was protecting Revanna, the grandson of former Prime Minister H.D. Deve Gowda, and let him escape from India. The Congress made it a point to allege that Modi knew about the charges against Prajwal but still shared the stage with him and sought votes for him earlier this month. Addressing Prajwal Revanna's sex abuse leaked videos, Union Home Minister Amit Shah said that the BJP is in favour of an investigation. Further talking about the Congress's promise in its poll manifesto that it will restore the Muslim Personal Law Board, Home Minister Amit Shah said the Congress is trying to safeguard its support base, whatever is left, through appeasement politics. He asserted that as mentioned in the BJP's manifesto, the party will try to implement the UCC across the nation and that there's one law for people of every religion. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday said rivals who are unable to take on the BJP-led government are misusing technology to circulate fake videos on social media. He said, and I quote, "There as in Congress's condition is such that as their lies aren't working, they are using my face as in Prime Minister's face and with the help of artificial intelligence selling fake videos in their Mohabbat Ki Dukaan. The shop of lies must be shut down. Opponents are using artificial intelligence to distort quote of leaders like him." Mohabbat Ki Dukaan is a phrase popularly used by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. BJP leader Basuri Swaraj filed her nomination from New Delhi Lok Sabha seat on Tuesday. A surprise pick for the seat, Basuri replaced the BJP's two-time New Delhi MP Meenakshi Lekhi. In another setback to Congress, six-time MLA Ram Nivas Rawat quit the Grand Old Party on Tuesday and joined the BJP in Madhya Pradesh. Rawat was inducted into the Saffron Brigade at a program in Shiopur in the presence of Chief Minister Mohan Yadav. For more updates on Lok Sabha elections 2024 and news across the globe, keep watching the Indian Express.